Let's be honest, if you've spent years playing video games, ask yourself one question. What do you actually have to show for it? Have you made money? Built a career? Or are you just spending thousands of hours hoping that one day, gaming will magically turn into your future? Most people don't want to hear this, but I'll tell you the truth. 99% of gamers will never make money from gaming. I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm saying this to wake you up before you waste more years chasing a dream that isn't realistic for most people. Here's what we're covering today. The 3 real ways to make money in gaming. Why and how to avoid it. The only strategy that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether gaming is your future or just a distraction keeping you broke. Let's get started. The only 3 paths to making money from gaming are 1. Esports, the hardest way. 2. Streaming, the slowest way. 3. Content creation, the smartest way. Most people choose the wrong path and waste years chasing something that was never going to work for them. So let's break each one down in full detail so you don't make the same mistake. Esports, the most brutal industry in gaming. Esports is not what you think it is. Most people believe, if I get good enough, I'll go pro. I'll just grind rank, get noticed, and get signed. If I win tournaments, I'll be rich. The reality, 99% of esports players never make money. Most pros retire before 25-30 years old. Only the top 0.1% actually make a living. Here's why esports is not a stable career for most people. No job security. You can be replaced at any time. Extreme pressure. One mistake and you lose everything. Short career span. By 25, younger players will take your spot. And even if you win a few tournaments, that money doesn't last. If you don't build a personal brand, your esports career will end the second your skills drop. The harsh truth. Most esports players burn out within 3 to 5 years and have no backup plan. If you're not in the top 0.1%, esports will not be a sustainable career. Streaming, the most overrated dream in gaming. Streaming sounds easy. Just go live, play games, and people watch. But here's the truth. Most streamers have 0 to 5 viewers. It takes years before you make real money. If you're not entertaining, no one cares about your gameplay. Biggest myth. If I'm good at the game, people will watch me. Reality, no one cares if you're good. They care if you're entertaining. The biggest mistake streamers make? They don't create content outside of streaming. They expect people to randomly find them. They don't promote themselves. Here's the only way to grow as a streamer. Be more than just a gamer. Be a personality. Post on YouTube Shorts and Instagram to attract viewers. Create challenges, reactions, and interactive content. The hard truth. Even big streamers took years before making real money. If you're not patient and extremely consistent, streaming is not for you. Content creation, the best long-term gaming career. Unlike esports or streaming, content creation actually builds long-term income. Gaming YouTubers like Markiplier, the Rad Brad, and Jacksepticeye aren't just playing games. They're building brands. You don't need to be the best gamer, just entertaining. Short-form content, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, grows fast. Multiple income sources, ads, sponsors, affiliate links. Why content creators earn more than esports players and streamers? Esports careers die fast, but a YouTube channel can last forever. Streaming is inconsistent, but YouTube videos make money even while you sleep. YouTubers have multiple income streams. Esports players and streamers don't. Here's how to actually blow up as a gaming creator. Post 3-5 short videos per week. React to gaming news. Create challenges. Be unique. Engage with your audience. Treat them like a community. Why this works? Gaming YouTubers earn more than most esports players because they own their brand. So now you understand that esports is the hardest, streaming is the slowest, and content creation is the smartest path. But here's something even more important. 99% of people still won't make money in gaming. If you can't commit long-term, gaming is not for you. If you still believe gaming is your future, prove it. Subscribe for real success tips. Watch my next video, The Life You Never Chose. Comment below, do you still believe gaming can be a career? Why or why not?